Welcome back, everybody. This is Excel video 473. I'm Nate Moore. I'm presenting this year at MGMA's annual conference in Nashville. Surprise, surprise, business intelligence is the topic. Monday afternoon's the session. An hour and 45-minute deep dive, business intelligence tools, the same kind of things we're talking about in this current series of Excel videos focused on clinical and operational data. Some great ideas, and I look forward to seeing you in the session in Nashville in October. I want to configure the business intelligence tools we talked about in the last Excel video. So all I want to get done today is just show you how to get the pieces in place so you can play with this. And the biggest part of getting the pieces in place is getting the right version of Excel. If you're going the subscription route, the Office 365 route, the new way to get Office, if you will, you need the Pro Plus version to get the tools we're talking about. If you're going the old-fashioned way, the download, get a disk, that kind of way Microsoft always has sold Office in the past way, you need the professional version of Office 2013. The home and business, student, all those versions don't have what you need to do this. Or if you don't need Word, you don't need PowerPoint, you don't need any other Office but Excel, the standalone version of Excel 2013 will do this for you. So you've got to have one of these three versions to play with these tools, but your whole clinic doesn't have to have these versions to play with these tools. Just the folks that are going to use these Power BI tools need Pro Plus or Professional is probably one of your two choices to make this go. Once you have the right version, the place to look for the tools to install them, from the File menu, we're going to go to Options, Add-ins. Here's the tools we're looking for: Power Pivot, Power Map, Power Query, and Power View. Note that they're COM add-ins, so if you come down here to Manage Excel Add-ins and you manage the COM add-ins and go, here's the checkbox for Power Pivot, Map, Query, and View. That's where you want to make sure they're enabled. If for some reason you're missing one of them, what you can do is go to Microsoft's Download Center. This is the Power Query page, and you could go get it. If you've got early versions before Service Pack 1 may not have had all the pieces, you can always download them from Microsoft's Download Center, and here's Power Query if you need it. Once they're downloaded, once they're enabled there as the COM add-in, here's where to find them. Power Query and Power Pivot show up on the ribbon. That's where you'll find them. If you want Power Map, that's here in the Insert tab, so is Power View. And then if you choose a Power View visualization is the word that they choose. If you choose an existing visualization, it's going to open the Power View sheet. And then when it does, notice that now I get a Power View menu here. I've got things I can play with around Power View tools. So once you're, like a pivot table, once you're inside a visualization, you get the menu, and if you go outside, you don't need it. Same thing here with Power View. But there's a bunch of different things you can do. That's the basics, the setup, the versions you need, how to enable things, download them if you need to. Here's where to find them on the menus. Once you've found them, the place to start is with the Excel data model. You don't absolutely have to use the data model for all of these tools. You can get by with a simple table on some of them if you need to. But there's some power, some flexibility around the data model that we're going to explore in the next Excel video. And I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks for watching.